Smile, hello everyone. Today's topic is heel pain and how we can heal this by sujok. So let's see. In my right hand, middle finger is my right leg. In my left hand, also middle finger is my left leg. Now in this heel point is here. First joint, center, standing position. But when you open up the yin, then this point is heel point. You will find these points very painful. Just mark the painful points and massage it nicely with either roller jimmy or by thumb in case you don't have. Warm it up nicely. This is my left leg heel and just muksa on this point so that we warm up this area nicely. Once this area is nicely warmed up, then we can take one seed also is sufficient if you find the painful point. So if this is the painful point, you will find exactly here or here. If this is the painful point, mark it with green color and put one seed, either peppercorn or buckwheat seed on this point. And tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. This is left heel in my left hand. For my left heel in my right hand, you work on this finger. Point is this or this, but ring finger. And for right leg heel, right hand middle finger here or left hand ring finger here. And in the feet also, have a look. In the feet, middle finger, middle toe is my right foot, middle toe is my right heel. Again, first joint, center. And in the left foot, left heel pain will be in the middle toe in the center of above the first joint here. So you will find the point very painful. If again the pain doesn't go by putting seed, you can also put the magnet. Now for magnet you need to understand that you keep the magnet only for 2 hours. This is the Buell magnet. Buell magnet, one side is yellow and one side is white. So for heel pain, we take the yellow scene. If the pain increases by yellow scene, you can change the direction. But usually, yellow scene will give good results. This magnet, yellow scene, put it on the heel correspondent point. Here. And the pain should reduce within 10-15 minutes. So you can do that. And also there is a meridian which is in the kidney meridian which is coming here. This point, just press this, the center point. This will be extremely painful. Just massage it nicely, warm it up and put one seed here. This is 1 pea. You can put the 1 pea on the painful point. You can mark it, the painful point, and put one seed here. So this is what you can do by sujok. But also in the morning, tell the patient that in the morning they can take the, when they get up in the morning, they can take the support of the bed and sit like this for 10 minutes on the toes. sit on the toes like this. And this will give relief in heel pain very fast. Thank you friends. So I hope you enjoy and learn and heal your heel pain very fast by Sujok. Smile thanks, and if you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Smile thanks and stay healthy.